forecast.
And of course, the leaves continue to come down pretty quickly. Colder nights such as tonight will even bring them down more along with the wind, but there's still color out there even though we're characterized as past peak conditions. Jim Wilson capturing that nice shot. And how about this? All ago into the sunset tonight. That captured out near Crozet by Jim Carpenter. Beautiful sunset. Let's take a look at our numbers. 41 is our current reading. It feels like it's in the 30s. The air mass very dry. We're going to hold on to these clouds. Some of those clouds have yielded a few snow flurries, even a snow shower. 35 at Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, and those winds gusting out of the northwest makes it feel like it's in the 20s. So you can still see some upper 30s and low 40s across the Piedmont of Central Virginia, some low to middle 30s across the Shenandoah Valley. Mountainous locations are in the 20s, so that means the wind chills are much colder in the mountains, and of course 20s is the real feel temperature across the Shenandoah Valley, most of Central Virginia in the low to mid 30s. There's a look at Doppler radar over the last few hours. Not all of that reaching the ground, but there have been a few snow showers and flurries, and we're likely to see a few more over the next several hours. It's a big difference when you get closer toward the West Virginia line. There's been snow ongoing since this morning down across the New River Valley, Blacksburg, areas southwest of Roanoke, down toward Abington and Pulaski along the 77 corridor, and then of course on the western facing slopes of the mountains, Western Highland, back into the Potomac Highlands, Canaan Valley, Snowshoe. Those areas are going to ring up some nice totals of snow. We could certainly see some flurries or snow showers fly in the air tonight, but really outside of the mountains, we're talking about trace amounts, if that, but we'll hold on to those clouds. Temperatures overnight, widespread in the 20s, so there's certainly our hard freeze, and with the wind in the morning, it'll feel like it's in the teens, so certainly bundle up. And as far as Veterans Day, we're having increasing sunshine, that cold start. Even though temperatures are in the mid 40s, again, our average daytime highs in the low 60s, it's going to feel like it's in the 30s throughout the course of the day with those winds gusting over 20 miles an hour, a little stronger along the ridge tops of the Blue Ridge and out across the Alleghenies to our west. But as quickly as this colder air has arrived, a little taste of the winter season, it's going to retreat. So temperatures will start to come back up as we go through the middle and end of the week. And overall, it's a largely dry forecast this week as well. So we had a front that came through last night. There's still some rain across eastern New England, colder air on the back side of the system, and as this colder air rushes over those unfrozen and warm lake waters, it creates that instability, and along with the trajectory of the wind, that snow piles up, especially on those western facing slopes, all the way down into the all the way down into the Smokies and even the high country of North Carolina, and of course here across the Blue Ridge at times. So there's the cold air mass. It will start to retreat. Again, temperatures in the morning start in the 20s, Veterans Day afternoon in the 40s, but it'll feel like it's in the 30s, and then we'll start early Wednesday morning with temperatures in the 30s and 20s, and Wednesday afternoon, daytime highs upper 50s and lower 60s. So a few flurries or even a snow shower flying around tonight. Temperatures will settle into the 20s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. After a cold Tuesday, temperatures will start to rebound more seasonable levels as we head through the rest of the week, and overall a largely dry forecast as well.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Well, the south side of the River City just